Elsa is planning a surprise party for Anna. It looks amazing. Everyone is helping, or trying to. Oh la! Elsa asks Kristoff to look after the cake. Great idea! It's Anna's first real birthday, so Elsa wants it to be perfect. But she's got a cold. Every time she sneezes, she makes snow geese. They're so cute, but they love to cause mischief. Save the cake! Save the cake! The cake! Strike! Elsa tries to give Anna the best day ever, but it's no good when she's sick. Surprise! Everyone was ready, and the cake survived. I can't believe it! Elsa blows the birthday bugle horn. Look out, Hans! Anna's had an amazing day, but she loves taking care of Elsa most of all. And Olaf finds the perfect home for the snow.